So have it happened before, like when you are trying to connect your wireless headphones or Bluetooth mouse and nothing's work? Maybe Bluetooth is missing, grayed out, or just won't turn on. Super frustrating, right? Well, you are not alone. On Windows 10, this usually happens because of a driver issue or because your PC doesn't even have Bluetooth hardware, especially if it's a custom build or older desktop. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix your Bluetooth drivers, or if your PC doesn't have Bluetooth at all, I'll tell you exactly what small device you can get to solve the problem in minutes. So step 1 is to check if your PC has Bluetooth. So for that you can click Start menu and type Device Manager and open it. Look for something called Bluetooth in the list, and if you see it, your PC has Bluetooth, and if you don't see it, don't worry, I'll show you what you can do in a second. And if your Bluetooth is listed, you can expand it and right click on the Bluetooth adapter. It might say something like Intel or wireless Bluetooth or Realtek. You can simply choose update driver and search automatically for drivers, and after that it should work. And if it's still not working, you can try this. Right click on the adapter again and click uninstall device. This will restart your computer. Windows will now reinstall it automatically, and after restart you can check your Bluetooth again. It should work now. And if you don't have Bluetooth in device manager, you probably don't have it. So for that you can buy a Bluetooth USB adapter, which you can say a Bluetooth dongle. They are cheap, plug and play, and works instantly. You can just search for USB Bluetooth 5.0 adapter on Amazon or any local store. Brands like TP-Link or Ugreen are reliable. You just have to plug it into a USB port, and within a few seconds your PC has now Bluetooth. And that's it. Whether it was a driver issue or your PC just didn't have Bluetooth in the first place, you are now connected and ready to go. Now no more struggling with wires. And if this video helped you, hit subscribe for more simple fixes that actually works. And if you are still stuck, you can drop your PC model in the comments and I'll help you out, and I'll help you figure it out. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.